Right. Hello, YouTube, if it makes it that far, because I haven't decided whether I'm going to publish this yet or not. Um, yeah, you won't have seen this layout of what I'm talking about before, but a couple of days ago I resurrected my Amiga hard drive, and I've been having some fun with it. If you've been following me on Facebook, then you'll have seen all this before, but yeah, that's the state of play at the moment. And what I'm going to do today, as you can probably see there, I might put up the video that I did on Facebook, because it was a little bit of a discovery moment where I was going through the hard drive and finding things out. That was the first one I've done. The second one is this one, where so I'm going to put on YouTube, because I didn't really like the Facebook format. It wasn't working very well. Yeah, so basically I'm going to go through and play an old game called Gravity Power. Well, not exactly the game, the editor. Exciting. It's that long since I played it. The reason I'm not loading it up is because I wouldn't know how to play it. It's been that long. So basically we're just going to go through the levels and that myself and Wayne knocked up, and just see what there is. So let's just get rid of that and we can go into it. Yes, this was my Amiga hard drive back in the day. Oh yeah, I'm trying to find games. Where are we at? Oh yeah. Of course, the most obvious icon. So I'm just going to go for the editor for now, because there's quite a few levels to go through. And these, if you like the look of any of them, if for some reason you're still playing Gravity Power. Oh look, I haven't registered Magic Workbench. Yeah, if for some reason you like Gravity Power and you like the look of these levels and want to try them out, they're still on Aminet. From, how long is it? 97, I think I uploaded them. So, yeah, there we go. So that was the Gravity Power icon. Funnily enough, I've not tried this since I've set up. Let's see if it works. Don't remember that corruption being there, but never mind. Yeah, there you go, you can load levels, so use joysticks. I haven't got a joystick plugged in, so that's probably why. Yeah, that was it. So you could load different world types. Grasslands, I think, was the one I mainly played around with. I think one of the ones that either myself or Wayne did was this one. Amiga Power, yeah. So that was it. Oh yeah, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. No. Was the idea to collect them squares? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's because I think that's because the mouse is controlling that bottom one. So yeah, let's just get out of that. I don't know, there's nobody, and we'll just quit out. Yeah, so that's one of the reasons why I can't play it, because I haven't got the joystick set up or anything like that. I'll probably go on them little PlayStation pads around somewhere. Bring one of them in, maybe, at some point, but not today, because I haven't got the USB socket. Right, so Gravity Power level editor. Exciting stuff. Well done, phew. So I'm going to go to the levels that me and Wayne loaded. One of the reasons why I did this is that I know for definite we put little in jokes in, and that's what I want to look at. It just says so Air Islands GFB. It could be advertising here, could be, but we're not. So I think the idea was to get through that little thing, then you've got this maze section at the bottom. I could never work out the game. Well, I could back in the day, but now that I'm taking up with this, it's I haven't a Scooby. So yeah, that one's not overly exciting. So let's just have a look at the next one. Come on. Air traffic. Yeah, there's a little secret tree. Almost empty, I think it's going to be, as it is, almost empty. No excitement there. Right, so Apple Tango. Empty from here. It's like Apple Tango. Then you change it by putting lots of sweeteners in and nah, don't bother with an arena. Oh. Do we do this one? That's pretty good if we did. It was in the available on Amiga, so I'm assuming it did. And I think these are the ones. Oh, actually, where these come from. So these might not be in our levels. Oh dear, right. Levels. Oh, yeah. So maybe there weren't as many as I thought. Hey, that can't be right. Pause! Well, of course. Silly me. Forgetting how the Amiga works. Yes, you've got that pattern thing there, haven't you? So you can take that off and yeah, there they are. I don't know if there's any different. Ah, yeah. Ground. Yeah. It's different level types in there. I gotta know. I wonder if you can load one in from. I would say no. I'll just hope it does. Walls. No, that's broken, isn't it? Right, there we go. Yeah, you have to load the graphic. Right, that makes sense. Right. Right, I get it now. Okay. Right, so I never did any alien worlds. Yeah, you have to load the graphic set. Makes sense. And then you can load up hovering lands. Yeah, that looks better, doesn't it? Oops. Come on. Yeah, this will look the same. Yeah, little castle and igloo at the top. I have no idea what all of them are about. Almost looks Japanese letters or something. And the other one in this one was I'm Peaced. Yeah, that sums up pretty much our sense of humour. Yeah. I'm guessing that was a bit of a difficult level, that one. I don't think most fun. Right, Boring World. Let's have a look at this one then. There's only 19 of these to go through, don't worry. Right. Never did any boring ones? Okay. Surprising. Judging by this video, I think Boring World would sum it up greatly. Right, let's have a look. The Guerrilla Island. Oh. And that is literally it. The full level. See, I didn't even put any of them. See, I don't know if this is Manor Wayne's. Well, I didn't even put them. Them skeletons weren't put in anyway, so. And the next one, Grassland, that's where most of them were. We'll come to that one last, because that looks the most I wouldn't say the most interesting, but the most of whatever. Diamond of Death. This is one of mine because I used to be my old email address and it isn't anymore. But that was my email address back in the day. Yeah, maybe I will have a quick blast of these if I can somehow work out how to connect a joystick or something. They work together. There we go, there's my sense of humour coming out. And this base one, yeah, I know for fact, for definite, I'll put little secret things in like that at the top. So, and maybe that's sex, maybe that was no idea. You want it? Why did it allow me to put letters in levels? Work together. No, I do not have a clue. See, this was a great game to play when there was 2 years. It was really quite a fun little game, but yeah. Drowned rat. I always liked my little used to be able to make little 7-segment displays like that with the graphics, and yeah, I think I did a couple of them. So that other one, or the other ones, might be in there. So let's have a look. Yeah, it was a. Yeah, oops. Not saving it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Even if I do, just get them off Amiga again. So there we go. And yeah, looks like I put another secret message in there. Or was it just numbers? That's the one with just numbers in. Yeah, I remember that. I remember putting them in. Took me ages to do that. And was it worth it? No, it wasn't. Total of hate. Oops. Balls. Fight. I think that was my favourite level type because of being able to do that. I don't understand the race ones. That's not load that up, has it? Try that one again. Oh, looks broken. So no idea why that one won't load, never mind. So Grasslands is the last one, it's the most, the one I've done the most on. Apple Tango looked at Battlegrounds. Did we look at Battlegrounds? I think we did. No, we never. Again, not very exciting. It looks like it's a one graphics set. Have we had it like that on purpose? And that's why it's called Complete FO. We will never know. Funland. There's a lot of fun about that. Yep. Don't know what that 1 and 2 is. Goodie arena. Ah, they must be collectibles of some type. Again, not been playing the game. I don't know. Peaceful grasslands. That's very similar to the other one, really. Funny, this is the one we did the most levels on, and it's the most bomb graphics one, so well. Solid Wasteland is as it is. Waterworld, no idea. I don't wonder if it like, I wonder if them lines are water or something. I don't know. And the last two ones that look like winded. And finally, the last one. I remember that daft little rabbit thing. The graphics were doing it still. They will be. Yeah, there they are. So yeah, that's a first look at the gravity power levels. Even though it says gravity force too, they work with gravity power as well. Let's just try something. Bing. So no, there's joystick thing in here. Game ports. Oh, that's why. Right. Change that keyboard layer. B. I wonder if you can then actually give these a go. Ah. That's looking promising. Oh, you can shoot yourself. Oh. That's, oh yeah. It takes me back. I think it was literally just a case of having to shoot the other player. I think that's all it was, wasn't it? That was the whole point of the game. I'm going to try one of my levels. Wrong one. Hey, get off. And there was nobody. Yeah. Load new level. See, it was a great 2-player game, but not so much on a 1-player game. And I'm back. Yeah, one thing I didn't do. Copy the files across. That's something out there, but never mind. Let's just play some more. If you don't mind. I'll have a look at that Tunnel of Hate one. See if I can actually do anything with it. Oops. Let's go back into gravity power. Metallic World, wasn't it? And Tunnel of Hate. Yeah, there we go. That's looking more like it. Oh, right, there's water. Clever. I do actually like that level design. Well done, Jamie. that's just going to annoy me because the computer, the Player 2 is controlled by the mouse. Except the mouse isn't. There we go. Yeah, so one day I'd love to do this 2-player. It's really not that good on 1-player. Right, so I think that's pretty much it for now. If I see anything more interesting, I shall dig it up. I do have some Worms levels, which are also on Aminet. I remembered making some of them, so if I can find them, Worms Director's Cut, I'll stick them on.